I'd like to say a few words about cement and what consistency it should be. So this cement I made about 3 months ago, and I put it in an airtight container. If it's not airtight, it won't last. It just won't. It probably won't even last 2 weeks. But this has lasted quite nicely. This is the consistency that I like. What I want to achieve is for it to move easily under the lead and through to the heart of the lead without it all squidging out the other side of the panel while I'm scrubbing it in. Now when you scrub the first side of your panel, you need a bit more than when you scrub the other side, the second side, because you have pushed this right up to the heart, so it's gone between the glass and the lead and up and down through into the heart. When you turn it over, it doesn't have to do anything with the heart of the lead. That's all been done, so it's only doing between the lead and the glass on the surface. Some people like it stiffer and some people like it runnier. You will find your own recipe, but that's the way I like it. And scrubbing brushes, these are sacrificial. They do not keep. You can't use them again. If you try and keep them in an airtight container, what you'll find is they do stay flexible, but they get crummy. That's not very nice. So depending on the size of the panel you're working on, sometimes a little nail brush will do the job, and they're like 30p or something if you go to Wilko's. These are £1. You use them once, you chuck them away. There's no other way around it. After you've put whiting on the surface and let it dry out, you then use a stiffer brush like this to scrub away the whiting and the dried cement. And these last, actually. And you need it a bit stiff because it's got to scarify the surface of the lead. And then the pigment that's in the cement will darken the lead. And then when you polish it up with a slightly softer brush afterwards, that's when you get the nice black bloom. So a coir brush is good for scrubbing your drying panel. So I hope that's been useful. Any questions, let me know. I will put a link to my recipe for making cement because that is incredibly useful to have. But yes, keep it in a completely airtight container and it will last. Thank you. Like, subscribe and comment.